Hey guys, it's Pure Price Action here, just doing an end of day recap for 1st of July 2020. What a day. I think it was pretty hairy from the get-go, with DAX was down in the morning, and well, we all saw what happened during the day. So anyway, starting off, this is a chart, the table of numbers I had in the morning with invalidation figures and targets for the day. I only had entry orders in on DAX and FTSE. And so with that said, I'm just going to look at what happened with FTSE. So FTSE started off in the morning. I did post an update yesterday when price was around here, saying that I was looking for a move down here. Of course, I ignored all of that. This morning, price hadn't quite dropped overnight, and I figured it's going to make a run higher. Obviously, hindsight, that was wrong. I'd set an entry order for FTSE around this area here. Price fell straight through, went to the 6075, 6095 range here that I'd mentioned in yesterday's post and bounced right back. So, well, it is what it is. What I want to look for now going into tomorrow is this entire area here is a congestion zone, and coming into the morning, if price holds up overnight and is at the top end of this range or a bit higher, ideally a bit higher, I think it'll be bullish, and I think it'll make a run then for the mid 6200s and possibly later to 6300s. It is a short week this week, just keep in mind. FTSE is open on Friday, but the US will be closed. Okay, for the DAX, same thing, had this huge spike down today, took my stop. I was long at 12,230 around this area, went straight through, didn't look back, just carried on straight through, and a big FU, turn around back up again. Well, so I think again, similar with FTSE, if price manages to keep in its current area above this area here, it's in the middle of that right now, but if it opens up around here, I think I'll look for a run up to the mid 12400s tomorrow. Very simple pattern actually, it's just an A, B, C up is what I'd look for, provided price holds up tomorrow into the open. And going then to the US markets, so S&P was pretty good. I had my invalidation again, no entry orders in, but price came down to invalidation, tested it, rejected it, and it's bounced, it's made a new high. And similar with the European indices, if price holds up, I'll look for a push higher tomorrow. And provided it does hold up, I think we'll look for a push higher to, I'm guessing around the, if it holds up around here, I'm looking at around 3150 area tomorrow. Again, it'll be the A, B, C move into tomorrow. It's going to be exactly the same case with Wall Street, although this is having an end of day or just post-close breakdown here. Let's see where it opens tomorrow. I'm not worried about what it's doing right now. I want to see where it is into open tomorrow. And what happened today, again, this was the invalidation line down here. Price dropped down, rejected it, went straight up. The invalidation levels on Dow and on the S&P, which is in that table here that I posted earlier, they do work pretty well as entry levels. And often if I don't have an entry higher, I'll just use the invalidation level as my entry with normally a 10-point stop on S&P, which would have paid off pretty well today. But then again, you need to have targets as well, of course. So that's it. I think the least clear for me right now is NASDAQ. I think NASDAQ, again, this whole area of support, it's breaking to new ground above. I'll look for a pullback to here. I may buy it, but I'm not sure. I'll see where it is tomorrow. So overall, I think if prices hold up overnight, we don't have a complete breakdown again, and they stay around today's cash close, I'll probably look to buy tomorrow. Okay, so that's it, and see you guys tomorrow.